Yawn. When you yawn, you open your mouth wide and take a big breath because you're tired or bored. Yawn. Pinkerton let out a yawn before turning out his light. Yawn. Sam yawned before hitting the sack. Yawn. Sneeze. Sneeze. You sneeze when the inside of your nose tickles. Achoo! When you get a cold, you sneeze a lot. If you have to sneeze, it's hard to stop yourself. Sherbert's sneeze ruined the card game. Sneeze. Now you know the word sneeze, and that's nothing to sneeze at. Hiccups. Hiccups. When you have the hiccups, you make short, repeating sounds in your throat that you can't control. They got the hiccups from drinking the lemonade too fast. Once you get the hiccups, it's hard to get them to stop. Grumpkin's hiccups made a lot of bubbles. Hiccups. Hiccups are just a small hiccup in your day. Burp. Burp. You burp when air in your stomach comes out of your mouth and makes a noise. Excuse me? Sonny had to burp after eating all those apples. Burp. Eli's burp told everyone that he ate all the cookies. Burp. Little Blue let out a humongous burp. Burp. If you burp, don't forget to say excuse me. Scream. scream. When you scream, you cry out in a loud, high voice because you're surprised, afraid, or excited. They let out a scream when the bees chased them. Scream. The scary movie made them scream. Scream. Scampy screamed all the way down. Sometimes singers scream to really make a point. Francis ended the song with an ear-piercing scream. Scream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
End of the video, smash that like button, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!